ऑलरेडी मेरी स्किन बहुत ऑयली सी है. Why would I put more oil on my face? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ishita with two E's, and today's video is all about facial oils. Now I know oil and skin in one sentence sounds dangerous and very intimidating, but trust me, facial oils work really well on a lot of skin concerns, and they can actually make your skin from dull to amazing. So आज की वीडियो में I'm gonna talk about how I got introduced to facial oils and why you should use facial oils, and also Vasu's new Kumkumadi Tailam facial beauty oil that I am loving nowadays. Now talking about my skin type, now I always have had dry to normal skin. इस साल I started noticing कि my T-zone was getting oily. So I was like, ठीक है, maybe my skin is changing. It's very usual for skin types to change due to weather, atmosphere. Of course, मैं पुणे से यहाँ लखनऊ में भी शिफ्ट हुई थी. So I was like, okay, maybe it's because of that. But I also started randomly breaking out a lot. There was a lot of redness around my cheeks. Then I actually messaged one of my Instagram friend who also has a skincare page. I'm gonna link her page. So she made me understand that it's one of the signs from dry skin that they do tend to produce more sebum overnight, even when it's dehydrated. And basically, my skin barrier is compromised, like my outer skin layer sort of is damaged. And she was the person who suggested me to include a facial oil in my routine, and I am not even saying it just for the sake of this video. I've been using them since September, I think, and within 3 days I realized, like, every morning that sebum production जिससे मुझे oiliness आती थी अपनी फेस पे, that got reduced. My skin feels more healthy. Like basically क्या होता था, even if I apply makeup, within 15 minutes यहाँ पे oily हो जाता था, यहाँ पे it used to be dry. Like there was a very vast difference in between the patches on my face, but within 3-4 days of using facial oils, that got reduced. Trust me, अगर वासु हेल्थ केयर ने मुझे ये प्रोडक्ट सितंबर से पहले भेजा होता, I would not have agreed to do this review video because I was not using facial oils, and I would have thought कि already मेरी skin बहुत oily सी है. Why would I put more oil on my face? But now that I understand facial oils and I've seen them work for my skin, I wanted to make this video sharing my 2 cents and experience here with you girls. Take it from me, facial oils can be your extra step in your skincare routine for that extra glowy and hydrated and healthy skin. Now facial oils का काम ही होता है to seal all the moisture in your skin and to make sure that your skin doesn't lose water with time. But based on the ingredients and the formulation of the facial oil, they can work wonders for your skin concerns as well. इस वीडियो में we're going to talk about the Vasu Health Care's Kumkumadi Tailam facial beauty oil. Now Kumkumadi Tailam is a very ancient Ayurvedic, mixture of 24 herbs. I think ऐसे Ayurvedic 4 tailams होते हैं, like oil mixtures or herb mixtures you can say. And उसमें Kumkumadi Tailam is known to work on your aging signs. And for me, it worked wonders to maintain the glow on my face as well. As you can see on my skin, ये जो glow आ रहा है, it's because I've used this as a moisturizer today. So what this particular beauty facial oil does is, obviously it will give you that healthy glowing skin, plus साथ ही साथ if you have any concerns like fine lines, dark spots, blemishes, wrinkles, especially वो जो dry skin के साथ wrinkly effect आता है जब भी winters आने लगती है, it works wonders for it. Like my nose is already flaky यहाँ पे because there is a little drop in the temperature here, and I genuinely love using it around here. Like I use it all over my face. I massage it very gently and instantly it gives a very glowing effect. Now if you're confused between the hair oils and facial oil, इनकी ingredients are different. This is a very lightweight facial oil. So ऐसा नहीं है कि if you use 2-3 drops of it and आपका face पूरा oily हो जाता है, नहीं. Obviously it's a little thicker than water, but it's not that oily consistency. आप इसके 2-3 drops लो and just massage it into your skin, and it will get absorbed into your skin and give that glowing effect on your skin. Now the Kumkumadi Tailam is made of 24 herbs, and उसमें one of the major herbs is saffron and turmeric as well. So इसकी color is sort of yellowish. So I was like, maybe if I use it ऐसे ही on my face, it might give that अलग सा येलो वाला इफेक्ट. जब कभी कभी हल्दी लगाते हैं मुंह पे तो हल्का सा येलो कलर रह जाता है, बट ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होता है इसके साथ. इट एक्चुअली गेट्स एब्जॉर्ब्ड वेरी क्विकली. नाउ दिस प्रोडक्ट हैज द नेचुरल गुडनेस ऑफ Kumkumadi Tailam mixed with clinically tested plant actives to give you that glowing effect. It also works wonders for hyperpigmentation. Like I had some here. I think it's because I'm aging, and maybe because I've started using makeup way more than I used to. Like now that I make videos more and more, I have to put on makeup बहुत ही ज़्यादा. So my skin was not really getting time to heal itself. But I really like using facial oils every single day. Like literally, I might skip a moisturizer, but I would never skip a facial oil. Before I started using facial oils, I noticed that my pores were really enlarged here because they were producing so much sebum because my skin barriers was compromised. But over time, like I've been using them for 1.5 months now, and I noticed that my pores are really smooth. Like that's crazy. वो हमेशा ना I could see that हल्का सा space here. Like even if I use a foundation, I could see कि वो यहाँ पे settle होता था. इसीलिए मैंने primer भी लिया कि okay, I would have to use primer वरना वो pores में foundation घुस जाता था. But right now, I can finally say this कि my pore वाला situation is solved because there is no extra oil production as of now. I do have a lot of active acne because every time I step out of my house wearing a mask, I do end up getting acne. So of course they leave a very stark mark on my face as well. And वो यहाँ पे काफ़ी सारे थे, but within 1 month I can say जो पुराने वाले marks थे, they have reduced. यहाँ पे skin is clear. Of course the active ones would take more time. I think facial oils have a permanent spot in my life as of now. I absolutely love how this Kumkumadi Tailum makes my skin feel. If you can see the videos, it gets absorbed very quickly. It gives that very natural, healthy glow to my skin. And trust me, you can actually use it as a moisturizer just without any other product and use it every single day, morning में and एक बार रात में, to get results within 15 days. I can promise you that from my own experience. And okay, I forgot to talk about the packaging. So this comes in this white packaging with this pattern going on, and इसके अंदर you have the dropper separately, and then there's the bottle. This one is actually sealed. I'm using the other bottle that I got. I'm actually saving this one to give it away to one of you guys. Now talking about how to use this product. Now what I like to do with this Kumkumadi Tailum facial oil is that मैं इसको सीधे dropper से लेके 3 drops, एक अपने forehead पे and एक 2 अपने cheeks पे drop करती हूँ, and then I massage it with my fingers because I like massaging the oil in my skin. I feel उस वजह से it gets absorbed in my skin very quickly. But I've seen a lot of people using these drops on their hands and then rubbing it, and उसके बाद they pat it into their skin. Also make sure that you go for a facial oil which comes in a dark bottle, या फिर always keep them away from direct sunlight. Now for my base today for this video, I did not use any serum or a moisturizer. I just used this facial oil, and you can see in the videos that it did a pretty good job. In fact, when I applied my foundation, it went on smooth, and I have to say this has improved my texture around my nose. Like the pore areas have been behaving so well. Like foundation इतना smoothly गया है, and it also has that very natural glow. So you don't have to use any illuminating highlighter or liquid highlighter or any primer. Just use this facial oil and you'll be sorted. So ये एक product can be used in so many different ways. Like I used to use it in my nighttime routine. Now I use it in the morning as well because I feel winters में my skin needs more moisturization than just a usual moisturizer. And now that I know that it goes very well as a primer before my foundation, so yeah, ये routine चलने वाला है. This छोटू सा bottle retails for 550 rupees for 25 ml, which is a great deal, and you can get it at a very much discounted price right now on Vasu Healthcare site. मैं सारी links नीचे रख दूँगी, and I also have a discount coupon for you guys to save more money over this gem of a product. Now talking about how to use it according to skin types. Now if you are a dry skin person, definitely go ahead and use it as a moisturizer. Oh my god, it can do wonders for your skin. I can vouch for this product from my own experience. And if you are an oily skin person, use it, like massage it in your skin, and then after 30 minutes just wipe it out. Before ending this video, I'm going to mention a थोड़े बहुत और pointers about this product. Since it's all natural, so it is very suitable to be used as a moisturizer on all skin types. And मैं दिखाई चुकी हूँ, you can use it as a primer as well. If you feel आपकी कहीं body skin dry हो रही है, you can just take it and massage it there as well. I do this on my elbows थोड़ा. See, hyperpigmentation, fine lines और wrinkles पे काम करने के लिए you have to give any product at least a month. So उसका results आपको तुरंत नहीं मिलेगा. Of course you have to try it for weeks, regularly, but I can vouch for it that this would give you immediate results. Next day, you will feel a slight difference in your skin. You will feel that it's not that dry or dehydrated. You will see a glow on your face, and especially during winters, because your skin definitely needs more moisturization and needs to seal all that moisture in. And yeah, with this we've come to the end of this video. I hope I was able to explain the benefits and goodness of this magical potion. I would totally recommend you to buy this right now, ताकि आपके पास 15 दिन हो before Diwali to see the results yourself. And I'm gonna leave the link to this product and my code as well in the description box for you to buy it. And yeah, that is all for this video. I'll see you next time. Bye.